Hi folks. Welcome to our video on how AI can help project managers manage project risks. As a project manager, managing risks is crucial to ensure that the project is delivered on time and within budget. However, identifying potential risks and mitigating their impact can be challenging, especially as projects become more complex. In this video, we'll explore how AI can give you an advantage and help project managers identify and manage project risks more efficiently. Let's start by looking at some of the challenges project managers face when managing project risks. Risk management involves identifying potential risks, assessing their likelihood and impact, and developing a plan to mitigate their impact on the project. However, traditional risk management methods can be subjective, time-consuming, and may not consider all factors that could impact the project. This is where AI comes in. AI can help project managers identify potential risks by analyzing historical data and predicting potential risks based on current project details. AI can analyze data from past projects and identify patterns that can inform the risk management plan. It can also help project managers develop a contingency plan to mitigate the impact of potential risks on the project. Another way that AI can help project managers manage project risks is by automating certain risk management tasks. For example, AI can monitor project progress and identify potential risks in real time. It can also provide recommendations on the most effective risk mitigation strategies based on the current project status. AI can also help project managers prioritize risks based on their potential impact on the project. By analyzing data on the likelihood and impact of potential risks, AI can help project managers focus on the most critical risks first and develop a plan to mitigate their impact on the project. In conclusion, AI can help project managers manage project risks more efficiently by analyzing historical data, predicting potential risks, automating risk management tasks, and prioritizing risks based on their impact on the project. With AI, project managers can save time and resources, deliver projects more efficiently, and mitigate the impact of potential risks on the project. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos on AI and project management.